Say goodbye to dust and crumbs with the mini vacuum cleaner. This little powerhouse is cordless and handheld, making it super easy to tackle messes anywhere: your computer keyboard, your car, or even those pesky pet hairs on the couch. It's rechargeable, so no more searching for outlets. Just grab it and go! It gets into all those nooks and crannies where dirt hides. Seriously, you won't believe how much dust it picks up. Whether you're a busy bee or just want a quick cleanup, this mini vacuum is a game changer. Ready to make cleaning a breeze? Click the link and grab yours now. You won't regret it.